Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you're new. I'm Kristen. Today I'm doing a quick tutorial using the new Kaja Eye Bento in Forest Night. So I primed my eyes off camera and I'm using the NYX glitter glue because I'm going to go in with a really glittery shade next. So this glitter shade is like a bronzy gold. It's so pretty, but it had a ton of fallout. I realized patting it on the lid was the best way to apply this because swiping it was very patchy. So next, once I'm done with that glitter shade, I'm going in with this chocolate brown shade and I'm blending that into the crease. I love this kind of smoky eye because it's quick and easy, and it's also great if you're a beginner. You don't have to be super clean with this. You can clean it up with a makeup wipe and you don't have to be precise. It's great because if you're running late, it's like a go-to smoky eye for me when I'm running late in the mornings. I love these kind of looks. I'm also using the same brush, not adding any product, and I'm applying this to the lower lash line. And last, I'm going in with this really pretty bronzy shimmer shade and running that along the lower lash line. I just had to, for a little bit of extra sparkle and smokiness. I loved it. Next, I'm giving my lashes a good curl, and once I'm done giving them a good curl, I'm going in with the L'Oreal Telescopic Lift Mascara. This is the waterproof one. I really like this mascara. I just have like a love-hate relationship with the wand some days. I don't know, like today I loved it. I just feel like it's too big. I don't know. Then I complete the eyes with some Kiss Lashes. I can't remember the name, but hopefully I can find them and link them down below for you guys. And this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this super quick tutorial using the new Kaja Beauty Eye Bento in Forest Night.